Day 2, welcome to another maths meeting. Remember, you need something to write with and something to write on. So if you don't have it, go and get it now. Pause the video until you're ready. Let's go. Join in. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Using this rhyme, can you tell me how many days are there in September? How many days in September? Pause the video, have a think and write it down. All right, before I show you the answer, I've got another question. How many days are there in December? How many days in December? Have a think, write it down. Let's see if you're right. How many days were there in September? There are 30 days in September. How many days in December? Yep, there are 31 days in December. Let's see how much money Benny's got today. Here's his piggy bank. 4 coins in his piggy bank, all the same. What is the value of one of these coins? It's £1, you're right, 100 pence. This is £1. How much money does Benny have altogether? Pause the video to have a think. We've got £1, £2, £3, £4. Remember, when we write down our pounds, the pound sign comes first. And we don't need to write anything with a P after it. Let's have a look at this one. What is the value of this coin? It's a £2 coin. You're right. There are £2 coins and this one, 10 pence. How much money does Benny have all together in his piggy bank? Pause the video while you work it out and write it down. So I've got 3 £2 coins. 3 2s are equal to 6. 2, 4, 6 pounds. And this one's different. 10 pence. Benny's got £6 and 10 pence. We write it like this. Remember the pound sign comes first. £6 and 10 pence. Because we've got the pound sign, we don't need to write the P at the end. Multiples. I've highlighted the multiples of 10. Can you count with me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Well done. These multiples of 10 all end in the same number. What do multiples of 10 always end in? They always end in a 0. All multiples of 10 end in a 0. Yesterday, we counted in multiples of 5. Can you remember what all multiples of 5 end in? All multiples of 5 end in a something and a something. Pause the video while you have a think and write it down. So all multiples of 10 end in a 0. All multiples of 5 end in a 5 or a 0. Well done. Tricky, Patty and her patterns. 10 more than 25 is equal to what? Pause the video while you write it down. 10 more than 25 is equal to 35. When we're counting in tens, the only digit that changes is the tens digit. We're not adding any ones, so the ones remains the same. 10 less than 80 is what? 10 less. Remember, we're only changing the tens. Pause the video while you write it down. 10 less than 80 is equal to 70. 10 less, we're only changing the tens and the ones remain the same. Let's see what Noah knows. We know what Noah knows. I've got 4 equations, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. My whole is 100. Not sure about my parts, but I think I'll be able to work it out. Pause the video while you have a think and work out these 4 equations. What does Noah know? Okay, my whole is 100. 30 plus something equals 100. This is an easy one. I can use my number ones to 10. 30 plus 70 equals 100. I know that because 3 plus 7 equals 10. My whole is 100. My parts are 30 and 70. If I know 30 plus 70 equals 100, then I know 70 plus 30 equals 100. If I know 100 subtract 30 equals 70, then I know 100 subtract 70 equals 30. Well done. Lastly, Shia and her shapes. Today's 3D shapes. Let's just double check we know the names of these. Join in with me. Sphere, cube, cuboid, cylinder, hexagonal prism, triangular prism, cone, square base pyramid, and a triangular base pyramid. Shia. She's thinking of a 3D shape with 2 circular faces. What shape is she thinking of? A 3D shape with 2 circular faces. Which shape is she thinking of? Use these pictures here to help you. Pause the video while you have a think. So, her shape has 2 circular faces. It can't be a cuboid. It can't be a cube. It can't be a triangular prism. It can't be a hexagonal prism. None of them have circular faces. Nor does a triangular base pyramid. Nor does a square base pyramid. A cone has a circular face at the bottom, but only one. Can't be that. Cylinder. 1 circular face at this end. 1 circular face at this end. A cylinder's got 2 circular faces. Tick. That was the shape Shia was thinking of. Well done, Year 2. Another maths meeting complete. And well done for warming up your maths brain. We'll see you again tomorrow.